Finally got these in. They're sitting at the post office for a few days because, well, nobody told me that they were in. And the sheet, the slip I had to sign got put up, and I forgot to be told about it. Oh, it's a box in the box. Huh. Well, flip the camera all around. See if I can get into this. Guess I shouldn't have put the knife up. Get out, you fucking whore. Yay. Bubble wrap and everything else. Small case 320 amp hairpin stator. I can't get into this fucking thing with one hand. Alright. Well, alright. My memory card's full, so that's all I get. Later.